Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time at Gill Elementary School in Farmington Hills, Michigan. And it was another great day with all the students. Got to speak to grades K through 5, 3 separate assemblies. And the main focus that we talked about today built on my last visit, which was diversity, our differences, celebrating our differences, but also the need for human kindness, that we show that love to everybody around us. But today's focus was more about showing that love to ourselves and making the positive life choice to be our best self and to choose to love who we are, to believe in our abilities and our worth, and to know that we're responsible for the effort and then the outcome that we want. 9 times out of 10, we're going to get the results we want as long as we're giving it our best. So I'm standing in their lobby here at the school outside right next to this board that says, be yourself, but be amazing, be smart, be friendly, be real, be grateful, be true, be confident. And what we really talked about today was the need to get rid of all those negative thoughts that we have and start talking with more love to who we are, start talking more positively. So any thoughts of us not being good enough or, not being enough, to replace that with a new positive belief in who we are and to visualize that we can truly do anything that we put our mind to. That's why I wear this shirt for every talk that has to do with this topic. Keep your head up, upside down on purpose. So when you look down or feel down, it reads keep your head up. That yes, some things are going to be tough, whether it's here at school or at home and in life in general and teams that we're a part of, but we can always persevere. We can always push through those difficult moments and still have success. And the opposite of success is not failure. It's quitting. It's giving up. So even though we might fail, it doesn't make us a failure. If we make a mistake, it doesn't make us a mistake. We have to believe in our value and our worth. So that also tied into the focus that I always make a part of every presentation, which is the M that's etched on all of our palms with the lines of our hand. I traced one of mine here again. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. That we remember our worth and know that we have this unlimited potential and can really, reach the moon, the stars, and back with anything that we put our heart towards, because your mind and your heart are going to believe whatever you tell it. So make sure that we tell it something great, just like what I see here, and that's such an important thing to keep focusing on and make a habit every day of our lives as we continue to be our best selves. Again, it was great seeing you all. Thanks for touching my heart. Until next time, much love. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button that you'll see show up on the link on the screen here. Hit the notification bell to get future updates on videos like this. Check out the other amazing playlist with some other clips about my journey across this country, along with my website, as we continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.